Welcome to E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Carifesta is well on its way in Barbados. On Sunday, delegations from various Caribbean islands lined the streets with flags and national dress as they made their way to the official opening ceremony at Kensington Oval. The opening ceremony of Carifesta 13, which was originally scheduled for Friday, August 18, was postponed due to the arrival of Tropical Storm Harvey. Now, Jamaica Night featured performances by Ernie Smith and Adaze, among others. Carifesta is a biannual event, the region's platform for arts and culture, and is the largest gathering of Caribbean people, featuring music, theatre, dance, poetry, visual arts and craft, fashion, food and literature. Now, speaking about the arts, Dataguan Jamaica, now showing, is a social commentary-driven play that takes a comedic look.
A long time them I try draw me tongue, Mr. Yes, I'm mean your Portia. I'm not afraid of no one.
Delia Harris, producer and actor, speaks to the concept and the relevance.
That was basically it, just following up on what was on TV, what was in the news, and then trying to find the things that were hilarious, some of the things that were serious but funny, like the bops. So, and putting just together a nice show that I think people would enjoy.
We don't really have nothing enough. We love them, And right now, if they look for me and say, me no love them, then who that talk something against God and God not fight against them to that, Because if you grant them people, I love them. I love my people.
So Gully, you live there still?
Live there, no sir.
You would believe this Portia there, fantastic.
The friend and the one with Gully Bop, and even the spelling bee was good.
I love it. It's Delia Harris, so it turn up.
The dancehall comedy features known actors Chris McFarlane, Maylin Lowe and Kadeem Wilson, with the addition of known dance choreographer Orville Hall.
I think the most challenging piece for me, because in terms of being audible because you have to do the mash mouth thing for capture the real Gully Bop, and watching the videos and watch the interviews and just watch how him mannerism when him sit down and do the interview, that was challenging. And when me do any kind of play, I like to be directed and feel like me take on the character, and I was directed and the character come out, yeah.
Dancehall artist Cranium has landed a collaboration with actor and R&B sensation Rotimi. The two has teamed up on a track titled Want More. The track is featured on Rotimi's forthcoming EP dubbed Jeep Music Volume 1. It was released on August 4. Jeep Music Volume 1 will also feature guest appearances by 50 Cent and T.I. Rotimi will also join August Alsina on his Don't Matter tour. The 24-city tour started on the weekend and will be stopping in major cities like Los Angeles, New York, Chicago and Atlanta. And that's it for tonight's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.